guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Ellie, and today I'm going to challenge myself to cook a dish from HelloFresh. The HelloFresh delivery service came with this bag that looks like this, chicken breast, and the recipe for how to make it. Now I'm going to open up the bag to see what's inside. Inside the package, there was some carrot, a lemon, Parmesan cheese, couscous, green onion, panko breadcrumbs, smoked paprika powder, sour cream, garlic herb butter, and chicken breast. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Okay, so this is all the fresh produce. I washed it all so it's nice and clean, and now it's ready to cut. I'm trimming the top off of all of the carrots. I peeled all the carrots, and now I'm chopping all of the carrots in half. Cut the lemon in half and then cut it into quarters. Now get the green onion and separate the white from the green. Now chop up all of the green onion. Chop, chop, chop. These green onions are making my eyes watery. In a small bowl, combine panko breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, the smoked paprika powder, a large drizzle of olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. And mix it all together with a spoon. Now get your chicken and season it with salt and pepper. I'm going to put some extra black pepper. Get the sour cream and squeeze it onto the chicken breast. Spread the sour cream evenly along the chicken breasts with a bread knife. Make sure it's all evenly spread. Now get the panko mixture and spread it evenly on top of the sour cream. Nice and even. Get the carrots we chopped earlier and sprinkle it with salt, pepper, and olive oil. Then mix it thoroughly with your hands so the olive oil, salt, and pepper are evenly spread throughout the carrot. Now put the carrots on the baking tray with the chicken. It already looks so good. Put the chicken and carrots into the oven. Now set the cook time on your oven to 20 minutes. Now add the couscous into a pot. Put in some water and boil it for 6 to 8 minutes. Drain the water out and add the garlic herb butter. Mix it with some scallion white. And stir it all together really nice. Keep stirring. Season the couscous with some salt. Now take the chicken and carrots out of the oven. Ooh, this looks delicious. Now squeeze lemon juice on the carrots when they're done. Squeeze. Now put the chicken, carrot, and couscous onto your plate. Put as much as you want. It's all done. This is what it looks like, and it looks amazing. I can't wait to dig in. Bon appetit. Bye.